Hi, this is Dell3524 here. We're going to do a how-to video on the Dell Optiplex GX620. This is going to be a processor upgrade. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do here is pull this tab back and out, which this will release, and you kind of just want to pull that out, then put that aside. Alright, then we'll be putting it on its side. Once you get it on its side, you're going to notice this thing right here. You're going to want to unscrew this, but there's a screw right there, right down in there, and then there's another one down there at the bottom. All you want to do here is unscrew this, and then you'll get to the processor. Once you get to that, you'll be able to. Alright, you'll know when you get it unscrewed because it'll just keep spinning and spinning and spinning. Down there now. Alright, alright. Now, on the back here, right here, there is a little latch that it holds on to. All you want to do is kind of pull it up, or kind of pull it back and up, and that'll come off and everything. So then all you're seeing is this, which is the processor, which has thermal paste on it. So what you want to do is there's this little lever right here. You want to pull that out and let it go. Lift that up, and then right here you can just lift that right up. And then now the processor is free to move. So then what you want to do is you just want to kind of pull it out and make sure you grab it with 4 fingers and just put that aside. And then right now we have our new one, which we're going to put in, which is a, hold on here, it is an Intel Pentium D. It is 3.4 gigahertz. So right here, there's like a little opening here, and you just want to line it up with the little tabs down in there, and it'll just go in. You shut that, put that on, but before you do that, you want to put thermal paste on it so it doesn't overheat. I have some right here, Zellman's. It's pretty good. It's a brush-on paint. So, but then you'll do that, and you'll put this back on. Just kind of line it up and then push down, and then screw it back in, and then you can just cover it up again, and then you will have an upgraded processor. Alright, this has been the how-to video on upgrading the processor and the Dell Optiplex GX620. Any comments, questions below.